Okay, let's make some white chocolate chip cookies. So that's some softened butter that I blended up. It's about a cup and 2 tablespoons or so. Then I added a cup of white sugar and then a half a cup of brown sugar. And after I got that all done, I added some other things, like vanilla, 2 teaspoons of vanilla. That's what I did, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 1 egg, that one right there. And I continued beating it up. Beating and beating. And beat some more. It's got to be smooth and creamy. And after you get through playing with that, then you can add about a half teaspoon of baking soda and about a half teaspoon of salt to your flour and stir it up a bit. And add your cup and a half of flour to the other stuff, and give that a good mix. And just mix it up till it's all together. And add about half a bag of white chocolate chips. If you want something else, you can add something else, but that's what I added. And then I put them all on a baking sheet and bake them. And get to watch me put little dobs of dough on this sheet. Just keep putting them on there until you get all the cookies on there, or all the dough wads. And after you get those on there, you can bake them 350 for about 11 minutes or so. I think that's what it was. And they turned out looking like that. And they're really good. They're really sweet, but they're good.